Hello friends, greetings from Cyprus, from Ayia Napa. This video is from the Nissi Beach. It is one of the best beaches in all of Europe. It is situated in the town of Ayia Napa, which means Holy Valley in Greek language, in the very east of Cyprus. As you know, early May we visited Cyprus and we drove all around the island in a rental car. It is quite a great destination as it's not so expensive as Italy. Prices are very reasonable on this island, and I highly recommend the eastern part of the island around Ayia Napa and Protaras. It's my favorite area from all the trips that we drove, and this is definitely one of the best beaches in Cyprus. Don't miss it if you go there. It's called Nissi Beach. It had been ranked as one of the best beaches in Europe, in Cyprus, in Greece by Instagram, CNN. So it's no doubt it's one of the best destinations to spend some time on holiday. If you wish to get here, you have to fly to Larnaca. That is the closest airport, about half an hour drive from here. Also keep in mind that driving in Cyprus is on the left side of the road, with the steering wheel on the right side of the car, like in England. So if you don't come from England and you are not used to drive on the left side, I recommend renting an automatic car. It's much easier this way, then you don't need to change gears with the left hand. I rented the manual car, but you can do so as well, but it will take some time for you to get used to it. It can be dangerous if you forget yourself and go on the wrong side of the road. As you see, it's a very beautiful beach. The town itself has 3,000 people with a tourist population of about 40,000 people, and the beaches are being operated by the municipality, by the state. That's why they are reasonably priced. It's only €750 to rent beds and umbrella, much cheaper than in Italy or Spain. And water here and beaches are far more amazing as well. There are quite a few nice beaches around: Macronissos Beach, Fig Tree Bay, Konos Beach, and they are all within a small drive from here. So it's a nice time, a nice place to spend some days here in the summer or spring. We arrived here in early May and water was already very warm, so it's no problem to travel here even in April. I wish you all the best. Be well. Greetings from Cyprus, Kypros. Enjoy the video.